Today, we're diving into the life of one of America's most overlooked presidents, Rutherford B. Hayes. You might know him from the contested election of 1876, but there's so much more to his story. Let's uncover some fascinating facts about the 19th U.S. president. Did you know Hayes was one of the most highly educated presidents of his time? He was the first to graduate from a law school, earning his degree from Harvard. This legal background shaped his entire career, from his time as a lawyer in Cincinnati to his decisions in the White House. He was also a decorated war hero. During the Civil War, Hayes served with distinction in the Union Army, was wounded 5 times, and rose to the rank of Major General. He famously said, "I would rather be a private in the Army of the Potomac than a Major General on the inactive list." Now, let's talk about that election. The 1876 presidential race was one of the most controversial in American history. Hayes lost the popular vote to Samuel Tilden but won the presidency by a single electoral vote after a special commission awarded him 20 disputed votes. This decision, known as the Compromise of 1877, effectively ended the Reconstruction era by pulling federal troops out of the South. It's a complex and pivotal moment that defined his presidency before it even began. Once in office, Hayes and his wife, Lucy, made some significant changes at the White House. Lucy was a strong advocate for the temperance movement and earned the nickname Lemonade Lucy because she banned alcoholic beverages from all White House functions. This decision was actually quite popular with many Americans at the time, reflecting a growing national sentiment. Together, they also hosted the very first Easter egg roll on the White House lawn, a tradition that continues to this day. Imagine that a simple act of fun for children becoming a cherished national event. Hayes was also a tech-savvy president for his era. He had the first telephone installed in the White House in 1877. The story goes that he had a call with its inventor, Alexander Graham Bell, who was 13 miles away. Hayes was also the first president to own a Siamese cat, which was a gift from an American diplomat in Bangkok. The cat, named Siam, quickly became a beloved pet in the first family. Despite the controversies surrounding his election, Hayes was a man of principle. He had pledged to serve only 1 term, and he stuck to that promise. He believed this would free him to make decisions based on conscience rather than political ambition. After leaving office, he dedicated his life to philanthropy, advocating for educational opportunities for all and prison reform. He worked tirelessly to improve the lives of others, leaving behind a legacy of public service that extended far beyond his careers in Washington. So, while Rutherford B. Hayes might not be the first name that comes to mind when you think of U.S. presidents, his story is a compelling mix of military bravery, political drama, and personal integrity. From the battlefield to the White House and beyond, he left a unique mark on American history. What do you think is the most interesting fact about Rutherford B. Hayes? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more historical deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.